Hello my dear students, I welcome you all to my English class.
So children, we are talking about articles a, an or the. When do we use a, an or the? We use a before words beginning with a consonant sound and an before words beginning with vowel sound. Now you remember what are vowels? We have done in first standard. Okay, repeat after me. A, E, I, O, U. Remember we have done 5 friends. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 friends we call them as vowels. Okay, and where you are going to hear these sounds, there you are going to write A, N, an. Okay, and before, other than all these 5 letters, rest of the letters are consonants. Okay, and where consonants will be there you are going to write A. Understood? And the, where do we use the? We use the to refer to something in particular. For example, the butterfly refuses to help him. The sentence is there in our chapter. The butterfly refuses to help him. Who refuses? The butterfly. Na koi और. Complete these sentences with a, an or the. The first sentence is, my uncle gave me dash book. Now the word here is book. We have to write a, an or the before a book. So what is the first letter here? B. It is a consonant or a vowel? Consonant. So what are we going to write here? What do we write before a consonant? We write A before a consonant. Okay. So we will write A. Understood? This is a consonant. The words start with consonant. And before this word we have to write. So we have written here a book. My uncle gave me a book. Let's check out the second one. There was dash orange in the basket. Now here you have to fill the article, and what is the next letter? O. What is the word? Orange, and the letter is O. So what are we going to fill in here? As you can see children, the first letter is O, that is vowel. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U, right? And before the vowel, we are going to write an. A, N, an. There was an orange in the basket. Okay? If you remember the vowels A, E, I, O, U, it will be easier for you to know where to write A and where to write an. Okay, come to the third one. Dash sky is blue. Dash sky is blue. Okay, the answer is the. Why children? Because sky is a definite thing. When do we use the? The word the is called a definite article. And what do you mean by definite? Definite means clearly stated or decided. Not doubtful. It is not going to change anything. Okay. Sky will be always the sky only. So we are going to write here T-H-E the. Okay. The sky is blue. Let's see the fourth one. I saw dash large house on the way. Now, you have to pay attention what is the word before which we have to write the article. Okay, the word is large. And what is the first letter? L. Now you have to check out whether it is a consonant or a vowel. L. So children, as we can see, L is a consonant. And what do we use before a consonant? We use a. before a consonant. I repeat, L is a consonant and we have to write an article before L. And what do we write before a consonant? A. So we are going to write here A. I saw a large house on the way. Come to the fifth one. She needs dash eraser. Now the word here before which we have to write an article is eraser. And what is the first letter of eraser? E. Is it a consonant or a vowel? I repeat, what are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, and A, E is written here. So what are we going to write here? We are going to write here an. So as it is a vowel, so we will write here A, an. She needs an eraser. Okay. Come to the sixth one. Please give me dash pencil. P. A, E, I, O, U. It is not a vowel. So what are we going to write here? As P is a consonant, so we are going to write here A. Please give me a pencil. Please. And the seventh one. Here you are given two dashes. Dash owl sat on dash branch. Now as we can see, O is a vowel and B is a consonant. So both are given in this sentence. So what will be the first one? What are we going to write before an O? So O is a vowel. So we are going to write here an owl. Okay. Capital A, children, as it is the first letter of the sentence. An owl sat on dash branch. Now we can see here B, that is a consonant, and we write A before a consonant. An owl sat on